everybody, it's Joe from Chalily, where we celebrate water in the garden. Let's talk about maintenance on your annual water lily. If you want a lot of blooms, you need to fertilize quite a bit. In St. Louis, we'll start thinking about adding our annual water lilies to the garden around mid-May, late May, depending on the spring. Some years a little earlier, some years a little later. We want the water temps to be around 72 before we put them out. Once we planted the water lily, I like to add a fertilizer or 2 tablets, depending on the size of the container, right at the time of planting. That way, as those roots root out into it, they'll find that fertilizer and send up some new growth. Then we fertilize every 2 weeks. We'll do that throughout the entire growing season. You can tell an old flower from a new flower because a new flower will be nice and straight and the bud itself will be firm to the touch. So all these open flowers will only be open for about 3 days. After that, they'll sink under the water. All they're going to do is add muck up to the pond. We want to remove those. Proper maintenance on the leaves is the same as the flowers. The fresh leaves look beautiful, lots of color. The old leaves, as they get older, will fade away. So all I do is take my fingers and pull that stem off. I try and remove as much of this petiole as I can. Any of this extra that's in the pond is just helping promote more algae. So remove it, add it to the compost bin, and everyone's going to be happy. I'll do this process about every 2 weeks. I'll remove old leaves, old flowers, and add those fertilizer tablets. That's how everyone says, Joe, your water lilies are spectacular. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.